Hey, how's it going, everybody? Marc here again from the dungeon. Creating these YouTube videos, trying to beat the all-powerful Google algorithm, all for Christ Center Capital. For those who don't know, I run ChristCenterCapital.com, C3 for short. ChristCenterCapital.com is an investment analysis site dedicated to those Judeo-Christian values. We kind of got our finger on the pulse of the market. We talk about what investments, stocks, companies, bonds, all that good stuff are, buzzworthy, the stuff that the analysts are talking about, and then we give an extra layer of analysis on those noteworthy investments as to whether or not they're aligned with Judeo-Christian values or whether they're opposed. So please go check out ChristCenterCapital.com. See if you like it. See if you get a good vibe from it. And if you do, please sign up. It's only $7 a month. There's a promo code. There's a bunch of promo codes. I believe Christ is a promo code you can put in there. Get your first month free. Get access to all of our premium content. And I'm here today to talk about one of those premium content attributes on Christ Center Capital. That being the mock portfolios. So right now, we're only 4 months old. We have 2 mock portfolios. The first one was released when Christ Center Capital first came out. It's just this mix of assets that have passed our screening process. There's no red flags. All the companies and investments in there, all the assets in there are morally aligned with those Judeo-Christian values, or they're at least not directly opposed or staunchly opposed to those values. But I'm even more excited about the new portfolio that we just released. So this new portfolio we released mid last week, and it has a couple cryptos in there. It has some alternative assets in there. It has I think around 30 something stocks or ETFs in there, and all of these investments have been vetted ethically through our C3 screening process. Meaning none of these assets that you're investing in are funding abortion, they're not funding pornography, they're not funding human trafficking or any of the like, right? And it took a lot of work to put this together. I'm a little bit of a one-man show, but I've luckily had over the past couple weeks a few people kind of come on and show their support and help me with the research and help me with the vetting process and help me with the technicals. As you can see, I've had a lot of help putting this whole setup together. Not the highest quality videos you'll ever see on YouTube, but a lot better than what I would be doing if I was completely by myself. So a lot of shout outs to people helping me out. But again, a lot of work went into this portfolio that we released. Now, full disclaimer, we're not financial advisors, brokers, anything like that. We are just people that are savvy in the investment world and are looking to share our knowledge and our opinions on the morality, the moral culpability behind investing. So we highly encourage you to go check out this mock portfolio that was just released, 2022 C3 mock portfolio. You'll find it on our site. It should be one of the first posts listed. You can find it under investment opinions. That's going to be the tab. And you can download, if you're a member, you can download it. You can check out all the things that are in that portfolio. The Excel spreadsheet that you can download is going to give you live updates on the prices and everything like that. If you download it and say you're like, I'm willing to invest $5,000 into this portfolio or whatever, you can do it on your own on any one of those commission-free trading platforms like Robinhood or Webull or whatever you choose to use. And it's going to tell you how to split up that money. It's going to be put 2% here or 3% there or 4% here. And that portfolio, given the market just had a nice little uptick over the past few days or the past week probably, that portfolio is already up 2-3% from the date that we released it. I'm not saying that's going to continue growing like that, but it's really encouraging that, hey, we picked out these assets based on their moral standing, and they seem to be doing well financially as well. Of course, we always vet. We're not just recommending or putting investments or assets into our portfolios or recommendations or blog posts just because they're Christian or just because they don't oppose Christian values. We are looking to make sure that they have some potential financially as well. So again, this whole video is really just to get you to try to go to that website, check out the portfolio, see if it's something that you'd be interested in. Again, you can only download it if you're a subscriber. It's only $7 a month, and 50% of every single dollar C3 earns through those subscriptions goes to amazing organizations that are supporting the Christian ideal. We're talking about religious universities, clean water initiatives, conservative foundations, pro-life organizations, and a bunch of other types of ministries out there that C3 is vetted and just feel that those organizations are really promoting that Christian ideal, and we want to give back. So go support us. Also on this video, give us a like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Helps us with the algorithm, and we'd really appreciate it. All right, have a good night, and just thank you so much for listening.